Disassemble of the electrical kettle. The equipment for using at home or any some with electrical for fast boiler. This video you can see the component and service maintenance. Here we show all party by part of it. Regular maintenance. 1. Descale the inside. Fill the kettle with a 1:1 mixture of white vinegar and water, or use a commercial descaling solution. Boil it, let it sit for 15-30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. 2. Clean the exterior. Wipe with a damp cloth. Do not immerse the kettle or its base in water. 3. Check the filter. If your kettle has a removable limescale filter, remove and rinse it regularly. 4. Inspect the power cord and plug. Look for cuts, cracks, or loose connections. Stop using the kettle if the cord is damaged. 5. Clean the base contacts. Ensure the electrical contacts on the kettle and base are dry and free of dust or corrosion.